Meaning of hobnailed boot.
Hobnailed boot.
Hobnailed boot.
Hobnailed boot.
Hobnailed boot. A hobnailed boot is a type of footwear that has small, short-headed nails, called hobnails, embedded in the sole and heel. The hobnails provide extra traction on slippery surfaces and make the boots durable for heavy use, such as on rocky terrains or during military training. Hobnailed boots were commonly worn by soldiers, laborers, and hikers in the past. In modern times, they are still used for certain specialized purposes, such as mountaineering or historical reenactments. The boot's distinctive appearance and functionality have made them a cultural symbol of toughness and resilience.